Are you getting the no network connection error on TikTok while using your iPhone? This issue usually happens due to a weak internet connection, server problems, or app-related glitches. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the no network connection error on TikTok. So, without any further delay, let's get started. Before going ahead, open up the Safari app. Type fast.com. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data. Turn on airplane mode for 10 seconds and then turn this off. After doing these basic things, if still you have the same issues, then follow my advanced solutions. Solution 1. Reset settings. First, open up the Settings app. Tap on Mobile Service. Now scroll down a little bit. Tap on Mobile Data Network. Scroll down again. Tap Reset Settings. Tap Reset Now. Solution 2. Offload the TikTok app. Open up Settings. Tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone Storage. Now scroll down and find the TikTok app. If you don't find the TikTok here, tap on Show All. Next, tap on TikTok. Then tap Offload. Again tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall it. Now go ahead and check the issue. If you still have the same issue, then follow my next solution. Solution 3. Reset Network Settings. Open Settings. Tap General. Scroll down. Then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset Network Settings. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if needed. Tap Reset Network Settings again. After resetting the network, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. And that's how you can fix the no network connection error on TikTok using your iPhone. If this video helped, give it a like. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.